Hello, and welcome to the Financial Freedom Journey channel, your trusted source for mastering online money-making strategies. Our channel is passionately dedicated to helping you break free from the 9-to-5 grind and create a life that's not just about making ends meet, but about making your dreams come true. Here we cover the full spectrum of digital marketing, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce, and from social media strategies to the latest online trends. Our aim? To equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to elevate your online success. So, if you're looking for weekly tips, insightful tutorials, and effective strategies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're turning our focus to a platform that's taken the world by storm: Twitch. We'll explore how you can leverage this platform to monetize your channel and add another income stream to your journey towards financial freedom. To begin, it's crucial to understand Twitch as a platform. Twitch is a live streaming platform that has revolutionized the way we consume content. Primarily known for video game streaming, Twitch has expanded to include a variety of content, from music performances to cooking shows. Its purpose is to provide a platform for creators to share their passions and talents with the world. And the potential for creators is enormous. With millions of monthly active users, Twitch provides a vast audience for streamers to connect with. These viewers are diverse, spanning different age groups, interests, and locations around the globe. This diversity and reach make Twitch an ideal platform for creators looking to build a community and monetize their content. Now that you have a basic understanding of Twitch, let's dive into how you can start making money from it. Before we delve further, here's a tool that can significantly enhance your Twitch monetization strategy. It's called Copymatic, and it's a game changer. Imagine having an assistant that helps you create engaging content, optimize your SEO, and even automate your email marketing. Well, Copymatic is that virtual assistant. This software leverages artificial intelligence to streamline your content creation process, allowing you to focus on what you love: gaming and interacting with your audience. Whether you're crafting a compelling Twitch bio, writing a blog post, or creating social media posts to promote your channel, Copymatic has got you covered. It's like having a professional copywriter in your corner, available around the clock. Copymatic aligns perfectly with your goal of monetizing your Twitch channel. It helps you to create engaging content, attract more viewers, and ultimately, increase your revenue. Remember, the link to this amazing product is right below this video in the description. Now back to our Twitch monetization strategies. Step 1 to monetizing your Twitch channel involves becoming a Twitch affiliate. So, what does it take to become a Twitch affiliate, you ask? Well, let's dive straight into it. Twitch has laid out certain requirements you must meet to join the affiliate program. These include reaching at least 50 followers, streaming for a minimum of 8 hours in the last 30 days, and having an average of 3 concurrent viewership over the same period. These might seem like daunting numbers, but with consistency and engaging content, they are certainly achievable. Now, why should you aim to become a Twitch affiliate? The answer is simple. It opens the door to monetization. Once you're an affiliate, you can start earning through various methods. You can receive donations or bits from your viewers, which are essentially mini donations viewers can give during your streams. And let's not forget about subscriptions. Viewers can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee, granting them access to exclusive perks like custom emotes and ad-free viewing. But that's not all. As an affiliate, you also have the opportunity to earn from game sales and in-game items. If a viewer purchases a game or in-game items through your channel page, you get a piece of that pie. This is a great way to monetize if you often stream popular games. Now, becoming a Twitch affiliate is just the first step in your monetization journey. It's like getting your foot in the door, but remember, even as an affiliate, it's important to continually grow your channel and engage with your audience. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll have to earn, and the closer you'll get to becoming a Twitch partner. But that's a story for another day. In a nutshell, becoming a Twitch affiliate is a crucial first move in your Twitch monetization strategy. It's the springboard that launches you into the world of earning from your passion. Once you've met the criteria and become an affiliate, you're ready for the next step. Step 2 involves maximizing your channel's revenue through subscriptions, ads, and donations. Let's dive into each of these 3 key components. First, Twitch subscriptions. These are a primary source of income for many streamers. Viewers can choose to support you by subscribing to your channel for a monthly fee. There are 3 tiers of subscriptions, each offering different benefits. The more benefits you offer, such as exclusive emotes or ad-free viewing, the more likely viewers are to subscribe. Encourage your viewers to subscribe by consistently delivering high-quality content and engaging with your community. Remember, it's not just about getting subscribers, it's about retaining them. Next, ads. While they may not be everyone's favorite, running ads on your Twitch channel can be a significant revenue stream. Twitch offers a variety of ad formats and placements, allowing you to tailor your ad strategy to your viewers' preferences. A good strategy is to run ads during breaks or downtime. This way, viewers are less likely to leave your stream due to the interruption. And finally, viewer donations. While this revenue stream can be unpredictable, it can also be incredibly rewarding. To encourage donations, consider setting up donation goals or offering incentives for certain donation amounts. For example, you could offer to perform a unique challenge or share a behind-the-scenes video for reaching a donation milestone. But remember, the key to encouraging subscriptions, ad views, and donations is to build a strong, engaged community. Be genuine, interact with your viewers, and give them reasons to support you. Show appreciation for their support, whether it's a subscription, an ad view, or a donation. Every bit of support contributes to your channel's growth and success. With a strong strategy for subscriptions, ads, and donations, you're well on your way to a profitable Twitch channel. So, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. We dove headfirst into the world of Twitch, understanding it not just as a live streaming platform, but as a lucrative avenue for online income. We explored its multifaceted nature, its enormous user base, and why it's a goldmine for savvy streamers looking to make money online. We also highlighted the importance of becoming a Twitch affiliate. This status opens the door to a variety of revenue streams, including channel subscriptions, ad revenue, and viewer donations. Remember, it's not just about streaming content, it's about building a community that supports you. That's where the real value lies. Then we moved on to the 2 key steps of Twitch monetization strategy. The first step is to create engaging, unique content that attracts and retains viewers. The second step is to effectively promote your channel, using every tool at your disposal to grow your viewer base and increase your income. In the midst of all this, we took a moment to introduce you to Copymatic, a game-changing tool for anyone serious about monetizing their Twitch channel. This fantastic product simplifies content creation, making it easy to produce high-quality streams that captivate your audience. Plus, it's available right below in the description, ready to be a part of your Twitch success story. Let's not forget the ethos of our channel, Financial Freedom Journey. It's all about breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and mastering the art of making money online. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media, or in this case, Twitch streaming, our mission is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. And that's it. With these strategies, you're well equipped to monetize your Twitch channel. Thanks for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies. Until next time.